guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? So in today's video I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I am going to be showing you guys how I use this eyeshadow palette from House of Tara called the Queen Nana to create a look. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So I am starting off first by moisturizing my face, and I'm just applying this all over my face. Really, I love this moisturizer. It's really good, it smells really nice, and it gives me that nicely moisturized skin. Then I am going in to do my eyebrows. I am going to fast forward this because you guys have probably seen me do my eyebrows a few times, and I have a couple of tutorials on my channel already on how I do my eyebrows. So this is going to be in fast forward in 1, 2, 3, go. So I went ahead to do the rest of my face. I applied my foundation, my highlight, my contour, and here I am just setting everything. So I am going to work on my eyes now, and the first color I am picking up is this color called Akan, and I am applying this all over my crease as a transition color. Now I love how pigmented this palette is, guys. I didn't even apply a primer, as you can see. I forgot, but look how much that color just picked up, and it's a really nice transition color. Then I went in with more of a pointed blending brush, and I picked up the color Gold Coast, and I am just going to use this to kind of darken up that eyeshadow, but I am also applying it in the inner corner of my, well, not the inner corner-ish of my eyes. Obviously, because this is going to be a halo look, I am applying this in an halo effect, really. So I am going ahead and just darkening this because I want it to look a bit darker, and then going ahead and doing the same thing on the other eye. The next color I am picking up is a color called Ashanti, and I am using a really fluffy brush, and I am going to use that to blend all those colors together even more. Then I am using my finger to pick up Bata Karikese, which is like a yellowy golden color, and I am going to use a brush to blend that in. And then I am going to take my concealer and do the halo effect, basically. So just applying that concealer in the center of my eyelid. Then we can get the party started with 1957, and this is such a nice blue color, guys. See me just admiring it. And I applied that in the center of my eyelid, and obviously because the concealer is there, it's picking up that color even more, and I just had to stop and admire it. But it's such a lovely blue, guys. You can already tell that I really like this palette. So just applying that and just making sure I blend it into the other colors as well, just working it, playing around with it until I got the effects that I wanted. So as you can see, I went back into my blending brush and just blended that blue even more, so it all looks very seamless and flawless. I went ahead and applied my eyeliner and my lashes. Now these lashes are from Lash by Colette on Instagram. I will put all her details in the description box. And what I like to do after I have applied my lashes is to go back in with some black eyeliner and just fix any mess that I made. I went back into Ashanti, and what I did with Ashanti is I just applied that on my bottom waterline. Is it your waterline? I basically applied it underneath my eyes, and then I went back into Bata Karikese as a inner corner highlight. It's such a nice color, guys. And obviously I went in with a heavier hand, and they took the light, guys. They took the light. Anyway, moving on, I took a fluffy brush and applied Akan as a blush. Guys, just look at that. Look at that. And I went ahead and highlighted, and to highlight I picked up a bit of Bata Karikese and my Revolution highlighter, mixed it together, and the highlight was. Then I applied my Kiko highlighter on my nose. Now the lipstick I am wearing is a Wet n Wild lipstick called Bare It All, and it's a really nice nude color, but I went ahead and applied some lip liner. This is the new look lip liner in Espresso. And then for lip gloss, I am applying this Revolution lip gloss. I can't remember what it's called, but I will leave the details in the description box. I went ahead and set my entire face with my Makeup Revolution setting spray, and guys, I downed my face in this stuff, and this is the final look. Let's just take a few minutes to, to enjoy the music, to feel our beat, and just appreciate when you do a nice flawless look with a really nice palette. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to check out my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.